This is a demonstration on using the sky vent in the cab area. So first of all, you slide the handles to the side, and there's 5 of those, like so, and then you push the vent open like so, and then you just tighten up the nogs on this side and the other side to keep it open. Unscrew them to bring the hatch back down and make sure they're all locked back into place for travel. So just slide the handles across like so. Now down the bottom there is a fly screen that you can pull up, and from the top there is a block out for at night. Now when you are travelling around, do not travel around with this down or leave it out in the sun. The sun can perish this, so really for the evening and the night, but it is okay to drive around with the blind up.